wearable, ang kaning wearable technology is kaya niya i-perform ang kaya wearable na kaning balo, kaning laptop, kaning mobile phone. So kaya daw ngayon niya, kaning kaya niya mag-Facebook, kaning nana. So kaning provide inquiry and kaning features such as biofeedback and tracking of speech, physiological functions that are typically not seen in mobile or laptop devices. So ang kaning wearable technology is na-precise features na kaya mo kaning detect o kaning mga heartbeat, kaning nana nga dili kaya waton sa kaning mga normal na cellphone ra ba o kaning laptop. Kahit kaning up-down for application capability and will allow the wearer access to information at all times. So kaya mo